Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter again with the Power Lead system, and this is the system that I use each and every day to promote my business online. Maybe you have seen a video that I've made about the Power Lead system, but today I want to show you a little bit about how powerful it is and how you can do certain things to promote any business that you may have that you are promoting online. Let's go on over to my back office here, and we're going to show you how to put in a web page or create a web page with a video that's already created in YouTube. Let's go to my domains. First you have to set up your domain and all of that, and then after you do that, first of all, you join the Power Lead system. But anyway, I want to go to websites, and I'm going to copy a template that's already been created. Let's go down here to a video. We're going to just copy this one right here. And then we're going to save. We're going to go down and make a copy right here. And okay, this is the web page. I can give it a name. I'm going to give it a name, and we'll just say another video. Keep all the letters together. Now we're going to go with motivation 2. Okay, that's the domain we're going to use, and we're going to give it a name, motivation. Okay, we're going to go down here and save the changes, and right here you can make a background. I think I use this colored rose. No, I don't like it. It's too loud. Let's use this scenery right here. Double click it, and this is the web page that I'm creating, and all you have to do, your video is going to be right in here, and all you have to do is double click that, and right here is your YouTube URL. You go over to YouTube. I've already chose a YouTube video, and it's about motivational videos, and I love motivational videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the URL, and I'm gonna select behind the slash. No, I'm gonna select behind. Yes, I'm gonna select behind the slash. I think we select behind the equal bar. Let's go down to the bottom and see what it says in the share. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select behind the slash, highlight it. It won't let me do it. Okay, I'm going to go back up here then. Go behind the equal mark, highlight it all the way to the end. Then I copy it. Then I go back over to my YouTube web page I'm making, and I'm going to select. Let me see if I got this right, y'all. Hold on. I'm going to select behind the / mark. You don't want to select the / just behind the mark, and right in front of the question mark. Highlight that, and then right click your mouse and then paste that you just copy it over there and say okay, you have placed your video inside of the web page that you're creating. So if you want to change this topic up here, free presentation, just select and write whatever you want to write in that bracket. I'm just going to say, I'm going to capitalize it, this is another motivation video. And I'm going to tell you who I am. And that's it. You save the changes. The page has been made. View the page. Voila. There's the video right there. Free presentation. This is another motivational video. I'm Marlin Carter. Welcome to my website. And for more information, all you have to do is put your name in, your email address, and get instant access. My name is Marlin Carter, and I will talk to you soon. I will give you more information on how to do certain things with the Power Lead system. And you all have a good day or night. Bye-bye. Oh, at the end of this video, I forgot to tell you, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link there. You can get the same system that I'm using, and you can start off for free, or you can pay $7 one time to get the Lead Lightning program. This will be explained to you in the video that you look at through the link that I put at the bottom of this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.